welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day, and again, please excuse my lack of makeup. We do have Hurricane Florence about to be here, so it's been a crazy couple of days running around trying to get everything done and put up and purchased, but we are all set to go, and hopefully we will not sustain too much damage, but it's kind of hard to say with the storm the way it is. And like I said, we have lots of pine trees in our front and backyard, so that's got us a little concerned, but it is what it is. So anyway, hopping on here because I did receive today my Julep beauty box. I do really like the Julep box because it is one of the only ones that you can actually customize your products. You can let them surprise you, or you can go in and select your products. If I'm not mistaken, I believe it is like $24.99 a month. I will make sure all of that information is down below, as well as a link to their website. So we are going to open it up. And it says, and I had the hardest time last month with this, but I'm going to get it this time, you guys. It says, if you can put it on, you can pull it off. Brave pretty. Hashtag brave pretty. I don't know why I have the hardest time saying that. So we're going to take paper out that was on top. And we will start with this item. This is their Feels Like Velvet Full Coverage Eye Duo. And the name of the colors are Coconuts and Cabanas. I did choose these. I believe these are beautiful for fall or any time really. I'm gonna get around the box. Okay. So it does come with a little mirror, but just to, if I can hold on to it, to show you guys here, these are gorgeous. Let me do a little swatch, and they are so soft and pretty. Oh, these are so pretty. Okay. They're right here. Here's the lighter shade and the darker shade, but they are so gorgeous, and I just really think they are so pretty for fall. So that is the first item. The second item is their When Pencil Met Gel Long Lasting Eyeliner. It is in Silver Shimmer. So I'm not too sure that this is something I will use often. This again, I am more just your typical standard black eyeliner. Well, that's interesting. It's broken. Okay. The tip is broken off. Well, it is what it is, I guess. Oh yeah, but that is definitely silver. You can see it right there. So, but I'm sure I can find some way to incorporate and maybe find a way to do a look with it. We'll figure something out. I'm just surprised that it's broken. And the final item is their It's Balm Full Coverage Lip Crayon, paraben free. And this is in the color Nectar Pink Cream. And this is what it looks like. Let's find another spot on my hand to do. Ooh, that is so soft. I can feel the way it glides on. and it is right here. That is so pretty. That's like really pretty. I have so many different things going on. Has the little bit of shine. That's really pretty. Really, really pretty. So those are the 3 products this month. And like I said, I believe it's like $24.99. I do know that when you first sign up with Julep, and I will make sure to include all of this down below with the link to their website, I think you can try a box for like for free, and you just have to pay like $3.99 for shipping, which is great. So you can try out their products, and then, you know, if you like them, you can stick with the subscription. So I will make sure, if that coupon or promo code or whatever, if it is still available, I will make sure to link that down below for you guys as well. So if you'd like to try it, you just pay that $3.99 shipping and get 3 products. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and like I said, we are about to face Florence tomorrow, so it may be a few days before I post any other videos. Of course, I have other boxes that are supposed to be delivered tomorrow and Friday. That's not going to happen, so it will be a while before I post any more videos, but I just wanted to hop on and make this really quick for you guys. And I hope anyone else in the path of Florence, please stay safe. Make sure you have all of your preparations done and all supplies that you may need. And that's pretty much it, y'all. And I will see you guys in a few days with some new videos, hopefully. And everyone, like I said, please stay safe if you are in the path of Florence. It is a nasty looking storm. So I am going to hop off here. If you have not already, please do subscribe. We have the 1,000 subscriber giveaway going on, so once you know you've subscribed, or if you're watching this and you're already subscribed and haven't entered, that link will be below as well. Otherwise, like I said, please everyone have a wonderful day, and I will talk with you guys as soon as possible. Thank you. Bye.